How to rotate 3D in AutoCAD. I am having a problem here. I need to copy these. So first, I need to rotate this so that it can be aligned to the Z and Y axis. And I also need to copy these tracks. So if I copy, for example, this one, and I want to paste it here. This is my truss. So you can see the current alignment is on the top view. If I paste, you can see how this one appears. So how can I rotate this one to appear like this? So first, we can move to, we're already in 3D. So I will just select, then I need to type rotate 3D. So rotate 3D. So the first point on the axis is here. The second point is here. So I want to rotate 90 degrees. So now if I go to the top view, now let me go to now this one I can just be able to mirror. So go here to setting, drafting and rotation. So I can just mirror this, mirror about that point and that point. Erase yes. Now in drawing 3, I want to rotate this object to align it to top view. So first I will need to align it about Y axis. So I'm gonna just type rotate. Again, select rotate 3D. I will pick I'll pick this point and check here that point. Then reference. Again, I'll pick. Now check this one. There. So let me select again. Rotate 3D. So yeah, you need to type rotate 3D. I'll pick the first point and check, and pick the second point. Again, pick reference. I'll pick the first point, the second point, I want this object to so let me see if I go to right view, I can be able to see this angle. So let me see this angle. The angle is 50. So the angle is 50, if you can see. The angle is 82, right? So I can rotate by 16. Okay, I can rotate by 16. That is 18, not 16. So let me pick everything. Now remember it's rotate 3D. Rotate 3D. I will pick from that point to that point. My rotation angle will be now let's say negative 18. Let me see this angle. Can just measure the angle. So I will go here, annotation and drafting, enter. Line, next point there, enter. Now let me rotate this line. Again, rotate 3D, rotate 3D from there to there. My angle is 90. Let me move to 3D modeling. Then type rotate 3D. The base point is second point 90. That is my angle. Rotate 3D. We pick from this point, that point, 90. Well, we have now been able to rotate 90. Right. So now let me see the angle from this point. Enter. Now you can just measure, annotate Want to measure not linear angle from here, there. The angle is angle is 172. So let's see if we can rotate this object about this one. So rotate 3D from check and reference, going from there. Again, let me rotate 3D from here to there. My angle, let's say -18. So now let's rotate this one. Again, rotate 3D from here to there. It's angle of 90, right? Now this one you can just be able to copy. So this is how you rotate 3D in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.